Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to blur things out on CapCut. So let's say you're trying to make a video, right? And you want to blur something out in the video. Well, here it is. So when you go over here, you want to drag and drop a video. You can either drag or drop, or you can go in here and find it in the File Explorer. First things first, you can go here, drop the video, drop it in your TL, and here we go. It's in your timeline, right? So let's say I don't want to see CapCut anymore in the actual video itself. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up to effects and look at these. So some of these have blur in here, so you can go to blur effect if you would like to. It can show some blur right here. So here's one way. So if you go right here and you drop it here, it's going to blur everything out for what you select. So I'm going to Control Z this because now I only want to blur it up to like 5 seconds, right? So I'm going to just hit S here. Oops, sorry. I'm just going to hit S. Wait, how do you, how do you, split? What is it? Control what? Oh, Control B. Sorry. All right, there we go. Control B, split. So now I'm going to move this up a little bit, and now I'm only going to blur this one. So you can just blur the sections you want. Let's go back to the beginning here. So now it's only going to blur the beginning. And I'm here to talk to you about, yeah, so that's cool there. So now you're back at it again, right? So that's pretty cool. So that's one way to blur. Now, if you don't want to blur the whole screen, you can do this. So you can Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Whoop! Get out of my face. Sorry, it was a bug in front of my face. All right, wait, hold, go back here. Add it back to the TL. We in the, yeah. Okay, so now that we did that, so now we're gonna go to sticker. Okay, now we're just gonna blur a certain part. So now we're gonna hit blur, censor. It has some things up here. I think they actually had like blur on the side here or something to like censor, or maybe not. Wrong. Okay, yeah. Just put censor. Let's see, we can do censor or blur. I feel like blur was a better keyword here. All right, that's cool. We can do something like this, okay? We can grab one of these and just kind of block it. I suppose I'll figure out another way. Yes, but this is definitely a way of blocking it. So you're just putting on your TL again, wherever you want at this point. You can put it anywhere on the video, and then once once, like I said, we want to block this whole thing here. You click here, and you can just control it on the video where you want to place it at. You can make it bigger, in that spot, kind of there. Let's see, you can scale it. It looks like. So that's cool. So if even when you want to do a little part over there, maybe it could be a better image. Icon. Let's see. What the heck is that? A star, icon. Fade in star. Oh, that's it's a little different. Yeah, no, seriously. There was another one. There we go. I don't know, like what was this called? This is the one I used before. But y'all see I'm struggling right now. Forget this heart, man. I'm not playing Kingdom Hearts right now. But yeah, this is the one I used before previously. Like, where the heck was this at? Because this right here, you can nice. Like, that's on the video actively, you know what I'm saying? And then, you can cut it, move over there again. But once again, you're going to have to use the Control B to actually, go in here, zoom this out a little bit more. Oops, zoom this out a little bit more here. So you can actually get in between, what's going on. Here's the sensor of what's going on between the two. But yeah, so those are what it is. Let me try to see if I can find the name of it. Let's see, pixel. Let's just try pixel blur. Pixel blur. Some of these things are dope though. Just sucks you gotta pay for it though, man. All right, anyway. All right, so they got all these though. But yeah, there's a lot of different things you can use to block it off here. But hey, let's get it. Let's go. I'm gonna see you on the next video. Peace.